Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Network Notes. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, we are gonna learn Python data types and we are gonna learn the use of comments and backslash character in Python programming. Before we start, I want to make clear one thing that I'm not a tutor. I'm also a student. I'm just sharing with you my knowledge through this YouTube channel. So I don't offer any course or I don't have any websites. Let's start. So Python has total three types of data, uh, such as strings, then floats, and then integers. So let's start with strings. Let's run a program. Print. This is used for to print anything in Python. For example, hello. This is our program. See, it's perfectly executed. So here, anything written between these two double quotation marks, those are called as string. So here hello is a string. So this is one kind of data, one type of data. Then the other one is uh, integers. For example, 10. Integers means any kind of number. So 10. Here hello and 10, they both are executed. So 10 is another kind of data, and the last one is the floating data. Print 10.5. So it's a floating number. Let's run this. Look, it's executed perfectly as well. So here what we can see is the integers, they need to write between quotation mark. Doesn't matter that it has to be double quotation, you can write between single quotation mark as well, but it has to be between quotation marks. But integers and floats, they don't need any quotation mark to execute. So for example, if we take out these quotation marks from here, then let's see what happened. It says error in line 1. That means line 1 has an it's not working in line, the code is not working. So strings cannot be executed without quotation mark, but now it works perfectly. Now let's see here what happened. See, I put a quotation mark between quotation. I put numbers between this quotation mark and it print as well, but it won't work for the string. Like so, anything I put between this quotation mark, they are known as string. So in this case, this 10 is no longer this is no longer integer. It now it marks itself as a string. So yeah, if you put uh, integers between quotation mark, then it might print, but it won't work perfectly. The problem we'll see in our future programs. So for now, just remember that strings need quotation mark, and floats and uh, integers, they don't need any quotation mark. So these are our three types of data. Comments. So what are comments actually? Comments basically used for hide something inside of codes. So um, there are total two types of comments. One is single line comment and the other one is multiple line comment. Let me show you an example. Print hello, then print hi. Now let's run this program. Run this program. Yeah, hello and hi. This both are printed. Now let's say I want to hide this first line. Mm, See, only hi is printed, and the first line hello. Now it has been commented, so it won't shown in our terminal. So only hi is printed here. So anything, I mean, whenever we put a hash at the beginning of any line, the whole line known as a comment. That's a single line comment. So uh, and multiple line comments, for multiple line comments, we need to use a three quotation mark. It might be single quotation mark or double quotation mark, doesn't matter. Both works. So anything between these three quotation marks known as the multiple line comments. So, or like when we write 100 lines, or uh, let's say a very long code, and we don't want to execute a certain amount of codes, then we can use multiple line comments to hide those certain programs. So whatever we run right here won't execute it. Won't gonna execute. Yeah, only hello and hi is executed. If I remove these quotation marks, then let's see what happened. See, it's not working because it's not a program. Print hey. Now everything is printed, and if we use multiple line comment, then that's hide, uh, and only hello and hi is printed here. Now the next thing is backslash character. What are the backslash characters? Let me show you an example. Print, write a program first. Dylan is from India. Write this program. Fine, Dylan is from India. Now there are total 4 types of backslash character. The first one is T. Now see at the terminal that Dylan is, then there is a gap uh, of tab. Like when we use tab on our paragraph, this amount of gap created. So this gap created here because of the use of backslash T, this backslash character. So if we use multiple T, then like we use here 40, so it will make this space of 4 tab. See, Dylan is from, then tab from India. This is the use of backslash T. Now the other one is backslash N. Backslash N is used to make a new line. Let me show you. Let's execute this program here. Dylan is, then N backslash N. This breaks the line here, and then start with a new line from India. It is same as the backslash T. If we use multiple backslash N character, then it will make this gap bigger. Like there's a gap of 4 line. Dylan is, then line break, then 4 lines gap, then from India. This is the use of backslash N. Now let's say I want to put India between quotation marks, double quotation marks. Now let's see what happened. It's not working. Line 1, there is a error. What I can do is, we can use backslash character before this quotation mark. Now run the program. India, perfectly working. We can do this in other way. How? For example, like if we want to uh, put India between double quotation mark, then we need to write the whole program between single quotation mark. The run is from India. And if we want to put India in single quotation mark, then we need to write the whole program between double quotation mark. Just the other way around. That's it. So easy. So you can use this process, or you can use backslash character for to do this. So whatever you want. So these are the use of backslash characters. That's all for this video, and I'll try to make a list of Python programming videos. Try to watch all the videos on this YouTube channel. So that's all for this video, and thank you for staying this too long with me. See you in the next video.